Hello students, how are you? Students from pre-nursery to 8th are enjoying now summer break, and God is helping us to reducing the temperature level too. Is it? Uh, Today it's very coolant weather, very pleasant weather. I'm enjoying a lot. You also enjoy with your parents and do your homework too. That is required. Uh, there is one request to you, all the students. Rest about corona, about your safety. We have talked so many times through videos, through so many times audios are sent to you, notes are sent to you. That this is need of the hour. We are using our virtual classes, and for that mobile use of mobile phone that is increased. I request you all the students with folded hands, please students avoid mobile phones at least for 2 days in a week. Settle 2 days. One is Sunday, second you can do Thursday or Wednesday, any Monday, and avoid use of mobile phone for full day, and prepare a note or report at the evening in your English notebook, uh, about your feelings, what you learned on that day, how you felt without mobile phone, and not simply mobile phone, you just avoid use of your tablets or laptops, computers, any kind of gadget. That should be avoided for at least weekly 2 days. You just make your schedule and get it signed, get your report signed by your parents that you spent a day without the gadget, right? That is required because we are supposed to save our eyes too. Overuse of mobile phone that affects a lot. And one incident occurred in Gurgaon side, that one of the girl, that's eyes are now damaged, and doctors asked her to stay away from the screen continuous, because we are not having so continuous classes. We are sending you videos, sometimes it's on Zoom in senior classes, and that girl was having coaching from any coaching centers through two, and was having continuous 5 hours class. It matters a lot, and in between the students love to play games, to watch the videos. That affected a lot, and that will be okay after some time, but at present that is suffering. We don't want such kind of sufferings for you. Save your eyes too, along with saving yourself from corona, and at least spend 2 days without mobile phone. Do your holidays homework in assignment sheets. If that is not possible, you can do in your concerned subject notebooks too. That will be more beneficial, I think. You complete that. It doesn't matter that the same work you did in your virtual classes, same is given to you in your holidays homework too. It is just like a kind of revision. If you will do in written part, it will improve your handwriting, it will improve your vocabulary, it will improve your memory. You will better understand the spellings too while writing again and again. Okay, you must do your work. Listen government instructions, listen your parents instructions, follow those. Don't force your mothers to cook a new kind of dishes for you daily. Don't force her, because the weather is very hot, and inside the kitchen it's in high temperature. It is not easy even to prepare times meal, and if we are forcing our mothers to prepare something extra, to cook something extra, she will suffer a lot. Okay, have mercy on her also. Be helping hand of your parents. Eat a lot of your seasonal fruit too. Okay, and avoid junk food. You might not be having in market now, market is open, but avoid taking junk food. Okay, take fresh seasonal fruit, drink plenty of water, enjoy your holidays. It's humble request to parents too, to keep an eye whatever is doing your ward on mobile phone, and you just follow the instruction, the suggestion I should say. to avoid the use of mobile phones twice in a week, and prepare your ward will prepare the report and you will sign it. Honestly do this. Thank you very much. Have a good day.